DJI OM5 tutorial. Using the DJI OM Fill Light phone clamp. Unfold DJI OM5. Place the DJI OM Fill Light phone clamp in the center of the phone and attach it to the magnetic area on the gimbal. Press the button at the back of the DJI OM Fill Light phone clamp once to turn the auxiliary light on at the lowest brightness level. The battery level indicator at the bottom shows current battery level. Press continuously to switch between low, medium, and high brightness. Press it again to turn the auxiliary light off. Press the button on the right side of the DJI OM Fill Light phone clamp to switch between cold light, warm light, or natural light. To charge the DJI OM Fill Light phone clamp, use the Type-C port at the bottom of the device. Thank you for watching.